Today in front of me I have Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Should it be the Wi-Fi or cellular, then launch the Play Store, enter or type in the Opera. Among the search results you would, want to download this particular app, so let's go ahead and click on the green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can simply launch the app, as well as it is required that we undergo a very simple setup procedure. In here, tap on this blue continue button, then choose whether you would like for notifications to be enabled or not. I'll skip. Then choose whether you would like for the Opera to be your default browser. You can also skip this step. And finally, there is this page that allows you to customize and personalize the permissions that you're going to grant Opera, which you can do by tapping on this button, or simply allow everything that it needs and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.